on. Then you want to go basic entity, drag that into your world. Then you want to go to model for that, so you go to model, click on the folder icon. Once there, go to your objects and then pick an object. I'm going to use a sphere, and then you can go to scroll down and create your flow graph. So you go flow graph, create, name it, call it ball move for this example, press enter. That'll bring up your flow graph. Now these are the nodes you need. You need add node misc start. Misc start is like salt and pepper in the node world. And then you want to go to input key, then you want to add node math random. However, you need two randoms, so we're going to copy paste that, Control C, Control V. You also need a add node logic any. You will need a add node, I'm going to do that up the top so you can see it, add node vector3 to vector3, drag that to the side, and you need an add node movement move entity 2. Now with this you're going to have to go to select the object and assign it. I like to assign it from the start, graph entity, so you can use it for other scripts as well. You go to output, enable, we're going to change the key to maybe K, and then you want to go to pressed in one, yeah, in one's good. Then you want to go to out to generate, and then you want to go to out to generate as well for the second one, for the Y. Now in order to get these values we have to look down the bottom with our X coordinates. So you'll go to 5 by 140. I don't want it close to the origin, I want it at 5. And then you'll just go out to your X. So that will determine your X. For the Y you can go 5 and 140. That's pretty good. To your Y. Whoops. Click the little circle. Fix it up. Just like that. Then you want to go Z. Z can be determined down the bottom as well as 18. As you can see down there, it says 18. So you want to go vector 3 and drag that to destination. Vector 3 to start. No. Vector 3 start. Yep, like that. And then you want to change the speed. 20 is good. 10's a bit slow, I like 20. And ease of distance is 5. That's how it's going to flow off takeoff. And you just want to put done to into. After doing that, we just go to file, save, let's put it on the desktop, call it ball move, press save, enter, close that, and then Control G to go into game mode, F3 to fly. You want to press K. Once you press K, the ball will start to move randomly.
Path, and then you'll find the name. It will pop up. Same for get pos. You want to assign graph entity for the player. So assign graph entity for the AI. Good. Now spawn particle entity. Now if we go into game mode right now, we'll just close this. If we're to game, switch to game, he's programmed just to walk and nothing to spawn behind him. Even though we've got the nodes set up, Crisis Sandbox does not know which to activate, which effects. There's nothing in the activate for the particles. So we're going to go up to Open Database View, go to Particles, see if there's anything in the scroll up bar already. No, there's not. So we're going to click Folder, and as you can see there's a whole variety here on which you can choose from. One of my favorites is MISC, and we're going to scroll, I like all the way down. I like to use static lights. Static lights are nice. And for this tutorial we can use, there's green, red, white. I like red. I'm just going to drag that and put it into the game mode. Then we want to get out of that. There's your particle. And if you scroll down on the roll up bar, we are looking for the particle effect. That's what we want. Also, if you want, you can change the name of this.
change it to like red emitter light would be good. However, use spaces, but the proper way to do it is to use underscores. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm just going to underscore in between each word like that, which is good. And then I'm going to click back, not on the AI path, on the particle effect. I'm going to click that and I'm going to get its name. I'm going to go copy.
Just going to click on the character again and open up the flow graph like that. Now here's the flow graph again. We want to click on the effects, activate. This is how particles will activate. You need to paste the name in the effect. That's how he will leave the trail when he walks. So we can just file, save that. Mine's already set up, so it goes automatically to my desktop. And then press close. And then you want to press Emily Light. You can just press delete. We don't need that anymore. And now when we go in mode, when he walks,
create particle we assigned him. That's how you do it. Now we can also change him to run if he wants. We can go to open, click on the AI path, follow speed stance, and then we can go to path name, keep it the way it is, run. This is where you got to press. You got to